Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where we will explore the Nuget website and one of its most popular packages, IronPDF. So Nuget is a package manager for .NET, which allows developers to quickly and easily install, update, and manage software packages in their projects. It helps streamline the development process by reducing the need to search for and manually add libraries to your projects. So let's search the IronPDF package on the Nuget website. So as you can see, we have 23 results. The first one is the official IronPDF package. So on this page, at the top left, you'll find the package name. Below the package name, you can see the compatible .NET frameworks for this package. Underneath the compatible frameworks, there are 6 tabs that show commands for installing the package in different ways, including .NET CLI, Package Manager, etc. Below the installation tabs, you'll find additional tabs of different information. In the README tab, you'll find different tags about the information of the package, like overview, installation, and code examples. In the Frameworks tab, you'll be able to find the supported .NET frameworks by the package, like .NET 7 or .NET 6, etc. In the Dependencies section, you'll find a list of other packages or frameworks that this package relies on. In the Use By tab, you'll see the products depending on the IronPDF library. And in the Versions tab, you'll be able to check the current and previous versions of the Nuget package. In the Release Notes section, you can see the release notes by the developers about this product. And over here in the top right, some stats are displayed, including the total downloads, current version downloads, average downloads per day, additional information like update date, project website, license info, and package download link can also be found there. So let's have a demo in Visual Studio 2022. We will search IronPDF in the Nuget Package Manager of Visual Studio. We'll select the first one and try to install it using the Install button. I've already installed it. So once you install it, you're going to see this following page. So let's go ahead and move to the code and try the sample code. So here I import the IronPDF namespace. After that, I create a Chrome PDF render object, which I'll use to create a PDF file. I'll use the render HTML as PDF method, and in parameter, I'll pass the HTML string, then save the PDF file with the name of output in PDF format. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the process to complete. Alright, process is completed, and so let's check out the PDF file. And here it is. Here is the PDF file generated by the IronPDF package. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you'd like some more helpful tutorials by Iron Software, don't forget to subscribe.